What's going on, guys? Ozzy back again with another unboxing video. Today we got another video game unboxing for you guys. We have Sonic Origin Plus. If you're unfamiliar, this is a collection of some of the most classic Sonic games from the Genesis, Game Gear. We might have some other consoles in there, but this is a collection. They put it all on one cartridge, as is for the Nintendo Switch. They put it on one cartridge, and I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it and show you guys what comes in this box. Before we continue, guys, I want to remind you to please like, share, subscribe to this channel, like this video, as it'll push this video out to more people. Share if anyone's thinking about picking up this particular game, and I really do appreciate all the support that you guys provide. And without further ado, let's go ahead and check out the outside of the box here really quick. Sonic Origin Plus, 16 classic Sonic games, new playable characters. All right, so in fact, I do know that this is a new playable character. I don't even know who that is. To be honest, guys, I'm not a huge Sonic fan, but I wanted this to add to my Switch collection. Like I mentioned before, 16 classic titles, one timeless collection. This would be pretty cool to just have all of these games in one package. And as you can see, I don't know how many of you are old enough to see, but it does have like this retro game Sega Genesis box. I actually, when I reserved it, I thought that it was gonna come in like the old school retro box, but it didn't. It comes in this little cardboard, but you know, it is what it is. I believe this was around 40 bucks. Let me make sure I don't slice my fingers open. I believe this was about 40 bucks. I could be mistaken, but all right, throw that to the side. There it is. As you can see, it has these retro lines that the Sega Genesis boxes used to come with. Those were pretty cool back in the day. So here we go. Let's go ahead and start pushing some of this stuff out. And the first thing you have here is the game cartridge, Sonic Origin Plus. Very clean. The same, it's basically the same thing that's on this cartridge right here. And we'll get to that in a second. But this does come with a art book, and I believe that's it. Let's go ahead and you can leave that right there for now. Little art book, check it out. Open it up. Sonic the Hedgehog. Growing up, I had a best friend in school that was obsessed with Sonic the Hedgehog, and actually we used to draw a lot. He was a really good artist, and I used to try to draw Sonic, and this model right here I used to draw pretty decently. So it tells you here 1993 how it looked like, 91 how last year Sonic looked like, how to draw them. That's pretty cool right there though. Just going through each one. Look at that. Knuckles, Robotnik, Amy. I'm unfamiliar. I've seen her before, but didn't remember her name. Metal Sonic. That might be in the next Sonic movie. Oh, I remember this one. My friend had this one. It was fun. I played a lot of Sonic 1, Sonic 2. He was a Sega Genesis kid growing up. I was a Super Nintendo kid, so we would play the hell out of the games. Sonic the Hedgehog, Sonic 2, Sonic CD. Look at that. I remember playing a whole lot. Look at game covers here. If you're interested, game covers. And we have Sonic, the original. So if you're uninterested with the art book, I'm sorry guys, I'll go ahead and timestamp the actual unboxing of the cartridge, and I'm gonna load up the menu and show you guys what it looks like and maybe play a game or two or something. Right, so that's the art book. It's pretty cool. I want to go ahead and take a look at that when I get a chance. But here we have Sonic Origin Plus. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Let me make sure, because I know it comes with a code. Yes, it does. Comes with right there. I got to cover it up because you guys are quick to redeem codes out there. There's some bad apples, not saying all of you, but you do have the backside with the Sega Genesis on it. Look at that. And then you have the actual cartridge itself. Pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and pop that in and load up the menu for you guys. So with the power editing, I'll be right back. And just like that, I am back with Sonic loaded up. Let's go ahead and a new update is available. That is awesome. All right, well, let's go ahead and I'll let you know once the update is done. All right, and we're back. Sonic Team. Now I don't want any copyright strikes, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn this down, and I do apologize. I wish I can play the song, but I don't know if it's gonna be strickens with oh, that's cool. Oh, look at that. I don't know if this video is gonna be strickens with copyrights, so I don't want to go ahead and risk it. And it's a cool little intro animation, a little cartoon animated intro here. That's cool. I want to make sure I don't get that light kind of offsetting it a bit. Hopefully you guys can see it good. You got old Jim Carrey right there. Let me know in the comments if you got that reference. Good movies, by the way. Like some of these animated movies, they're actually doing pretty damn good. Mario movie was good. Sonic movies were good. All right, Sonic's Origins. So from what I understand, the Sonic's Origins game came out on digital a while ago, and the physical or the plus is what just recently came out. So I could be mistaken. That's what a new content available. So I could be mistaken, but that it was my understanding. Anniversary mode, anniversary mode, classic mode, boss rush. So let's go ahead and take a look here. What's classic? I don't know what any of this is, guys. All right, so it's showing Sonic. I gotta look off. Oh, so here you can check the games. So let me show you real quick the games. Sonic the Hedgehog, Sonic CD, Sonic the Hedgehog 2, Sonic the Hedgehog 3, and Knuckles. So I didn't know there was two separate games. I just thought it was Sonic 3, but I guess it's Sonic 3 and Knuckles. Pretty cool. Mission and museum. So not sure what that does. Let's go ahead and just start this and see what this is. To move, I'm sure we can figure this out, guys. Come on now. Oh, it's got a little, again, pretty cool little animation. Cool little cartoon or anime. I want to skip this because I don't want to spoil anything for you guys. No, did I back up? No, never mind. Going through the actual game. And guys, you guys don't know the nostalgia that game has. Oh, yeah, if you don't press start, the computer will start without you. So, we're gonna play Sonic 1 with Knuckles. How about that? Actually, I want to play with the D-pad. Or the D-pad. The D-pad there. Bam. Knuckles, I used to love Knuckles because growing up, my favorite color was red. And kind of still is my favorite color, but growing up, I was like super into red. And let me back up a little bit so you guys can see the controller. And Ralph was my favorite Ninja Turtle. Stuff like that. Red Ranger. Anything red, I was like, I'm there. I'm there, my guy. That's pretty easy, right? Alright, guys, so this has been an unboxing and I just little look at Sonic Origins Plus. My camera's about to die, so I'm gonna go ahead and log off now, guys. If you like this video, help me out with a like, share, subscribe, all of that YouTube fun stuff, and I'm just gonna keep on playing this off camera and enjoying this game. Alright, guys, see you later. Peace.